In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Adobe Acrobat extension to Google Chrome in 2025. If you're looking to enhance your browsing experience by seamlessly viewing and editing PDFs directly from your browser, this guide is just for you. We'll walk through each step, ensuring a hassle-free installation process. First, we need to navigate to the Chrome Web Store, which is a hub for various extensions that can optimize your Chrome experience. If you're unsure how to get there, simply open a new tab in your browser and enter Chrome Web Store in the search bar. This task should take you directly to the website, or alternatively, you can use the URL chrome.google.com web store. Once you're on the homepage of the Chrome Web Store, you'll find a search bar prominently displayed at the top left corner. Here you'll want to type in Adobe Acrobat. This search will help you locate the specific extension you're interested in. When it appears in the search results, you should see details about the extension, including its icon and a brief description. This helps ensure you're adding the right tool to your browser. Next, you'll need to click on the result that matches Adobe Acrobat. This action will take you to a dedicated page for the extension, where you can see additional information such as user reviews, ratings, and an overview of what the extension offers. It's always a good idea to take a moment to browse through these details to confirm that it's exactly what you're looking for. Now focus your attention on the blue button that says Add to Chrome. You'll want to click on this button, which will initiate the installation process. Be sure that your internet connection is stable at this point, as the extension will need to be downloaded onto your system. After clicking the button, a dialog box will appear. It's a standard security step prompting you to confirm the installation. This box provides information on what the extension will be able to access on your browser. To proceed, click on Add Extension. This confirms your choice and begins the download and installation process. Within a few seconds, you should see a notification confirming that Adobe Acrobat has been successfully added to Chrome. You'll also notice its icon appearing alongside your other extensions, typically located at the upper right corner of the browser. Now that you have the Adobe Acrobat extension installed, you can start using it immediately to view, convert, and edit PDFs directly from your Chrome browser. This tool is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow, especially if you frequently deal with PDF documents. Enjoy your newly enhanced browsing experience, and thank you for following along in today's tutorial.